Good morning, my dear student. I am Dr. Kiran Ramrao Burkar. Now today I am going to discuss about the nervous system of cockroach. Now you can see here the structure of this nervous system of cockroach. Okay, so this nervous system includes central nervous system, peripheral nervous system, and autonomic nervous system. So first of all, we see here about the central nervous system. The central nervous system, it include the nerve ring, and this nerve ring include the nerve ring, then double ventral cord and the segmental ganglion. Okay, all this togetherly consists this central nervous system. So we see here one by one, that is a cockroach nerve ring is present around the esophagus. This nerve ring is present around the esophagus, and this nerve ring is formed by pair of suprapharyngeal ganglion, then pair of subesopharyngeal ganglion, and circumphalangeal ganglion. Okay, this nerve ring togetherly, or this nerve ring is formed by the pair of suprapharyngeal ganglion, circumociphageal commissure, and subociphageal ganglion. Okay, and this supraociphageal ganglion, look at this supraociphageal ganglion, it is also called as a brain and is present on dorsal side of esophagus. This suprapharyngeal ganglion present on the dorsal side of esophagus, and the brain is mainly a sensory and endocrine center. Okay, sensory and endocrine center. Endocrine center, it means that it release hormones, okay, into the hemolymph, into the hemolymph. This is the circulatory fluid. Hemolymph is the circulatory fluid. Okay, now next one is that the subesophageal ganglion. A pair of subesophageal ganglion, look at this subesophageal ganglion. This one is the subesophageal ganglion. A pair of subesophageal ganglion that lies below the esophagus, and it is a motor center. Okay, it is motor center, and that control the movement of mouth part, legs, and wings. Okay, and third one is that the pair of circumociphageal connectives. Look at this circumociphageal connectives. The circumociphageal connectives that is present around the esophagus and connecting the supraociphageal ganglia with the supraociphageal with the this circumociphageal commissure connect the supraociphageal ganglion to the with the subociphageal ganglion. Okay, do you understand? This supraociphageal ganglion contain sensory and endocrine system, endocrine center, and this subesophageal ganglion, it is the motor center, and third one is that the circumociphageal commissure, it can it is connecting the supraociphageal ganglion with the subesophageal ganglion. Now we see the second part of the central nervous system, and that second part of the central nervous system is that the ventral double cord, ventral nerve cord. Okay, ventral nerve cord. In cockroach, ventral nerve cord is present on ventral side of alimentary canal. Look at this ventral nerve cord present on ventral side of the alimentary canal, and it consists of two longitudinal nerves which are solid, and hence it described as a double solid ventral nerve cord. The nerve cord extend in between the subociphageal ganglion, subociphageal ganglion to the and suboccipital ganglion on the last abdominal ganglion, and that is present in the 7th segment. Okay, this is all about the ventral nerve cord, which is the part of central nervous system. Now we see the next part of the central nervous system, and that one is the segmental ganglion. Which one? That one is the segmental ganglion. Total number of the segmental ganglion in cockroach are 9. Okay, in cockroach or the 9. This one is the ganglion. Okay, total number of segmental ganglion in cockroach are 9, and among them 3 are present in thoracic region. Look at this, 3 are present in thoracic region, that is prothoracic ganglion, metathoracic ganglion, and mesothoracic ganglion. Okay, and 6 in the abdominal region, and 6 in the abdominal region. Look at this. So in cockroach, abdominal ganglion are present in 2, 3, then 4, and then 6 and 7 segment. This is the abdominal ganglion, and this is the abdominal ganglion, and abdominal ganglion are absent in 5th, 8, 9, 10 segment. Okay, and the largest abdominal ganglion in 6th ganglion present in 7th abdominal segment. This is about the segmental ganglion, which is the part of central nervous system. Okay, now we see the next type of nervous system, or that is the peripheral nervous system. What is peripheral nervous system? Peripheral nervous system, it includes the nerve which arise from the CNS, of course. All these nerves arise from the CNS and supply to the different part of the body. And from brain, 3 pairs of the nerves arise and supply to the compound eyes. Okay, 3 pairs. This one is the brain. And this brain, 3 pair of the nerve arise and supplies to compound eye, antennae and labrum, and also to the parietal ganglion. Then subesophageal ganglion gives off 3 pair of nerve to the mandible, maxillae and labrum. Okay, and frontal ganglion and labrum, and also to the frontal ganglion. Then subesophageal ganglion, which gives off, look at this, subesophageal ganglion, which gives off 3 pair of nerves to the mandible, maxillae and labium, and thoracic ganglion supplies the nerves to the this is the thoracic ganglion. This supplies to nerves to legs and wings. Then metathoracic ganglion, look at this thoracic ganglion send nerve to first abdominal segment. Nerve from each of the first 5 abdominal ganglia inverts all organs of each of the segments, and 2 to 6 serially, that is 1 to 4 ganglia invert segments, then 2 to 5 respectively, and 5 ganglion inverts the 6th segment. All organ present in 7 to 10 segment. Last one is that. Okay, present 7 to 10 segment receives nerve from last abdominal ganglion. Look at this, last abdominal ganglion. Ganglion supplies nerve to 7th, 8th, 9th and 10th segment, including the anal sulci. Okay, anal sulci. And anal style in male. This is about the peripheral nervous system. Now, next type of the nervous system, which is also included in cockroach nervous system, that is the autonomic nervous system. What is autonomic nervous system? This autonomic nervous system is also called as a somatogastric or visceral nervous system. It includes four nerve ganglia and nerves which connect them and supply to visceral organ. The nerve ganglion or the frontal ganglion, that frontal ganglion that is present in uh, pharynx just in front of the brain. Then second ganglion, that is the occipital ganglion or hypocerebral ganglion, present behind the brain above the esophagus. And third ganglion is that the visceral ganglion, which is present on the wall of crop, which is present on the wall of the wall of the crop, wall of the crop. And a proventricular ganglion, it is present on the gizzard. It is present on gizzard. And this stomatogastric nervous system, that is also the autonomic nervous system or visceral nervous system, supplies a nerve to alimentary canal, supplies nerve to the alimentary canal, heart and other visceral organ, and it regulates the function of those organs. Hence, it is called as a visceral nervous system. Okay, these all ganglions, somatic nervous system supplied now to the alimentary canal, heart and other visceral organ, and it regulate function those organ. Which organ? That visceral organ. So that's why it is called as a visceral nervous system. Okay, this is all about the nervous system of cockroach. Nervous system of cockroach, that is central nervous system, peripheral nervous system and autonomic nervous system. This is all about the cockroach nervous system in cockroach. Thank you so much.